Unlike quick text messages or emails, greeting card requires thoughtful selection and handwritten messages, creating a tangible connection between the sender and the recipient. They also maintain traditions and strengthen community bonds, particularly during holidays and special seasons. Thinking this in mind, I thought of creating these beautiful shimmery cards. Hello, friends, my name is Mohini Sinha and I'm from India. And most of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. I mostly do nature related painting, mostly related to nature. So, this whole class will be related to nature painting with gouache. So, in this class, we will be learning 5 beautiful cards starting with the snowflakes, beautiful golden shimmery snowflakes with the branches loaded with snow. Each and every details we will be learning, from the Christmas tree to angel making, how to paint the angel, how to paint the beautiful realistic pine trees. Then comes the red floral painting, learning each and every flowers, how to make it, and finally the beautiful tree house. So let's start with our first card. I'm sure you're gonna love it.